Thanks for stopping by, everyone. My name is Jeff, and it is officially the last trading day of 2018. And guys, 2018 started off like a champ. It has kind of ended in a mixed spot for investors. I know a lot of people, including myself, are seeing it in their long-term portfolios do not have the strength they did, 2 or 3 months ago. But that's part of portfolio building. You have to buy on the dips. You have to add to your portfolios in any major weakness. And that's why I always talk a lot about passive income. You got to keep accumulating a lot of income streams to keep building on your long-term portfolios and your long-term holdings. But guys, just for a minute, I want to talk about Netflix stock. So Positive Investing, this is a channel I frequent quite often. The best thing about these videos is kind of how they're thought-provoking. This is a real good channel to kind of have in your YouTube Rolodex, okay? Netflix stock to $100 ? So I was actually driving down the road in pouring down rain, and I seen this notification come up on my phone. So I didn't have time to stop and watch the video. But immediately I started developing an opinion in response to this video without even watching it. So let me explain my relationship with Netflix stock, guys. I have never personally owned a large holding in Netflix. Okay, I've traded it a few times. I remember years ago when they had their big 10-to-1 split back, I bought a pretty decently sized position and I sold it on a 10 or 15% gain. I can't really remember, but I've never had a long-term holding in Netflix stock. And I always have kind of regretted that too, Here's kind of my opinion. In this space, in the streaming service and video space, and of course these two companies are different, I am far more bullish on YouTube than I am Netflix or Amazon Prime or the up-and-coming Disney streaming package, okay? I am far more bullish on YouTube, okay? And here's why. Because not only do people use YouTube for entertainment, there are so many people making a living on YouTube. But with that said, I also very aware of the power of Netflix. It was one of the original FANG stocks, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google. That was your original FANG stocks, okay? And Netflix has been nothing but a powerhouse really since day one. I know back in July, close to its all-time high at 400 plus, you're looking at close to a 670% return on Netflix. So the title of his video was, will Netflix go back to $100? And here is my personal opinion on that. I'm going all in. I mean 100% in. I mean every single thing I've got. I'm selling all of my stock. I'm liquidating every ETF and mutual fund I own. I will start selling my clothes. I will start selling my shoes. I'll sell all of my electronics. I will sell anything and everything I possibly own and go all in Netflix stock. Just let me keep my iPhone and I will gladly go live in a cardboard box. Because if Netflix did somehow go to $100 a share, that would probably be the greatest discount in tech history. I couldn't even think off the top of my head of anything that could compare to it. Netflix is really just getting started. They just put out a huge, another blockbuster movie. And the truth of the matter is, Netflix is just warming up. Okay, they have just thrown their first pitch and they have 9 innings left. I don't think Netflix is going anywhere. And if it goes to $100 a share, I will gladly go live in a homeless shelter. So anyways, guys, I just want to mention this before I log off. 2018 is all about perspective, okay? A lot of people are going to say we had a bad year and we ended on a bad note. But the optimist in me is going to say, look at all these opportunities we got to get in good stocks at a better price. And for those of us that stuck to that, and those of us that continued to work hard and believe, this is going to really pay off in 2019 and many years ahead of us. So I just want to wish everybody a happy new year and happy trading. And I hope 2019 is your best year you've ever had in the stock market. Thanks for watching the video, everyone.